Okay, the correct choice here is letter E. And let me go through the work. First of all, I see that the selection of the answers will have to do with 3x. So I need to change that interval to include the 3x now. So let's do that. Let's write down pi over 3, x, and then 7 pi over 18. You're going to multiply all sides by 3. And what do you get? You would get pi, you get 3x, and you get 7 pi over 6. All right? So now the big question comes is, where's the angle 3x? So what I know about it, standard position, that would be pi. So it's be between pi. Let me just go through this with you, get the degree measure on it. It's going to be 180 degrees over pi. The pi's cancel, 6 goes in 180, 30 degree times, so you get 210 degrees, all right? So the angle is now between 180 degrees and 210 degrees, all right? Now what do I know? I know that the sine and cosine, and again, this is where we are, both the sine of 3x and the cosine of 3x are definitely less than 0, all right? What do I know about the tangent of 3x, though? I know it's greater than 0. So some I can cancel off right away. Like, for example, this one can't be because the tangent of 3x is positive and the sine is negative. That's just not going to work out. And this one can't be either. All right? Now, let's start looking at the other ones. And let me look at letter D now. And letter D has to do with the tangent. Could the tangent be greater than 1? Well, if you look at it, certainly the references for that is between 0 and 30 degrees. There's no way this could happen either. All right, let's talk about the sine of 3x and the cosine of 3x. And I'm kind of looking at the picture, and which one would be bigger, so to speak. And you're looking at this thing. I know they're negative. So what I'm going to do, if they're negative, I'm just going to kind of look at the reference then. They're both negative, by the way. So I'm kind of looking at the reference now, and I'm wondering which one would be bigger. And looking at that, let's see. You got this side, and this side. And again, we're just talking about the reference now. And I'm going to say, looking at the reference, what would I get? Well, it looks like the cosine of the reference angle would be bigger than the sine of the reference angle. All right, so the cosine would be bigger than the sine of the reference angle. Of course, looking at this one over here, I know these numbers would be negative, right? They would be the actual number would be negative. So this one makes no sense either. All right, that the cosine of 3x, that negative number would not be bigger than that the sine of the 3x negative number there. I'm looking at that there. There's only one left over here, and this one right over here. This one makes the most sense. All right, so letter A. All right, letter A is the only possibility left. Thank you.